What's up, YouTube? So I'm back with another video. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of Malibu's Most Wanted and Love Don't Cost a Thing. There's Malibu's Most Wanted, Love Don't Cost a Thing, and it comes in a double feature. I'm gonna do the double feature later, but right now I'm gonna get into the two movies. So first, I'm gonna get into Malibu's Most Wanted. So Malibu's Most Wanted, big glass in a plain white wrapper, starring Jamie Kennedy, Taye Diggs, Anthony Anderson, Blair Underwood, Regina Hall, Damon Wayne, Ryan O'Neal, and Snoop Dogg. Here's the front with B-Red and Sean and PJ. And the side, Malibu's Most Wanted. The bonus booty you've been wanting. 11 hilarious deleted scenes, including an animated ending, and tripping commentary with stars Jamie Kennedy, Anthony Anderson, Regina Hall, and filmmakers. And soundtrack is available on on Universal Records / UMG soundtrack. Songs featuring Snoop Dogg, Mr. Cheeks, Pastor Troy, David Banner, and Jamie Kennedy. Here's the chapters. There's up in the boo. My favorite scenes are Got Us a White Boy and Don't Be Hating, battle rapping. That's one of my favorite scenes when he rapping. And Malibu's Most Wanted, and when he shot up the gang, and White Kong, and Chain Reaction. So yeah, here's the CD. Here's the special features. Here's a special feature disc. And here's the movie disc. And it comes with Love Don't Cost a Thing, cause the other side of Malibu's Most Wanted is messed up. So yeah, I had to get another one. That's Malibu's Most Wanted. So let's start dropping bodies. And Love Don't Cost a Thing with Nick Cannon, Christina Milian, and Steve Harvey. But it pays to be yourself. Front. Nick Cannon as Alvin and Christina Milian as Paris. Front. The side. And the back. Hot, hip, and hilarious. Special features are deleted scenes, Paris takes center stage, and a surprise animated ending, 2 music videos, and more. And original motion pictures, soundtrack features Busta Rhymes, Chingy, Fat Joe, Nick Cannon, Murphy Lee, R. Kelly, Jenny Wines. There's the disc. My favorite scenes are Pool Cool credits, Love Me Baby, and Lesson and Sexy, and Bounce Always, and end credits, Keep on Pushing. So yeah, that's Love Don't Cost a Thing. And now it's time for the double feature. I got this from Half Price Books. Someone wrote in here, not good and good. Both of these are good. So both of these movies are good. You're not good. I'm just kidding. You are good. But come on, man. Malibu's Most Wanted is the best movie. Here's the front. Here's the side. The back. Here's the same thing for the other disc. Yeah, so that's my unboxing for Malibu's Most Wanted and Love Don't Cost a Thing. See you next time.